Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to Crafting at the Lake House. These are the projects I created for the attendees at my in-person annual event, and I'm sharing them with you here on my YouTube channel and blog. This is card number 11. There's only one more to go, and that'll be airing on Wednesday. For this card design, I am using the Words for the Season stamp set, as well as some Secret C cardstock, basic white cardstock, real red cardstock, and this happens to be the Traditions of Christmas Specialty Designer Series paper. It's got some sparkle in there, and I am matting it with the real red, and then I'm going to use that brand new ribbon, the real red shiny ribbon, and I'm going to be wrapping that around the base. So I wanted to let you guys know, first of all, while I'm tying this bow so that you can see how long it actually takes me to tie it. Well, it's not even a bow, you guys, it's a knot. So I'm leaving this in so you can watch this struggle. It is real, just saying. I wasn't able to have my Friday video out on time. So we're going to do 2 Friday videos coming up this week. And then that will be the end of the Christmas box series. We will have another card design, number 12, on Wednesday. Then the next week, hopefully, we will have hopefully the paper pumpkin alternative will come in the mail. If not, we will be doing the card kit for the month, and I might have a few little filler videos to be able to, and then we're starting something special on December 1st. So keep a looks out for everything. I'm laying out my catalog for you. And back to the cards now. Here we have that particular framed and dimensionalized piece of card, and we're putting that on our basic white card. Oh, and this is what I wanted to remind you guys. There is a PDF link, it's a link to my blog where you can grab this PDF. So I'm not going to go over the measurements. I just wanted you to know that in each one of these card series, there's a link to my blog post, and the blog post has a big pink button on it, and it says download the PDF here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. Hopefully you can find it. If not, reach out. I am happy to share that with you. So we're putting the card together. It's real simple. Sometimes I forget to put on the sentiment, and honestly, I should wait, or I should do it beforehand, but I obviously wait to the very last minute. Is anyone else like that out there, that we sometimes forget to put on the sentiment? Good grief. So I could have screwed up and, dropped the stamp or put an inky finger on this, but no, I seem to do it okay. These are the traditional sparkling sequins here. And you guys, that is my card for today. Leave me some lovely comments out there, and I hope to see you on Wednesday, and then on Friday, and then something special is happening in December. So I'm very excited about that, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.